Hello, I am Oscar Eduardo Santa Costa. I belong to group 274 of the English class. I had a good experience when I traveled to the city of Cartagena ago 5 years. I remember that on the trip I was with my wife and we toured many beautiful tourist places. In that experience, I was feeling impacted because I had the pressure to now this place with the people that I love. I have seen the wonderful that is the sea and I have felt quiet. On that trip, I have the opportunity to arrive and about to go to the aquarium. On that trip, I had felt pretty happy. I have would like to repeat a trip like this. Thank you. Goodbye.